Language is a vital part of human life. Without language, communication will be very difficult and tedious. One of the many ways we can appreciate the gift of language is through a comprehensive study of its systems, and how they vary across various cultures around the world. In this article, you will learn the meaning of linguistics, its branches, theoretical and applied linguistics, its importance in society, and career opportunities available in it. Definition of linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of the systems of language. It is a scientific study because it applies scientific procedures in its evaluation of language, such as hypothesis, experiment, observation, analysis, findings, results, etc. Linguistics evaluates the sounds and sound systems of languages, how words and sentences are formed, and meaning in both the literal and the contextual sense. It studies, also, the history of languages, investigating language change over a period of time as well as the state of language at a particular point in time. Branches of linguistics. The major branches of linguistics are divided into two major groups: theoretical linguistics, and applied linguistics. Theoretical linguistics. Theoretical linguistics studies the system of a language. It investigates sounds, words, sentences, and even meaning in language. This branch of linguistics is divided into 6 groups: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Since you've come this far, like this video for it to reach more people. I explained the branches of linguistics in more detail in separate videos, and compiled them into a playlist. You can access the playlist by clicking on the link in the description. Phonetics. Phonetics is the study of sounds in general. It focuses on uncovering how speech sounds are produced, transmitted, and perceived in language. Some common concepts in phonetics include organs of speech, manner of articulation, place of articulation, voicing, etc. Phonology. Phonology is the study of the sound patterns in a language. It is a more niched variant of phonetics, and it evaluates how speech sounds are grouped based on shared features, how they are arranged in utterances, as well as the rules that guide their permissible combinations to form meaningful utterances in a language. Some common concepts in phonology include minimal pairs, syllables, vowels and consonants, phonological rules, etc. Morphology. Morphology is the study of the internal structure of words in a language. It is the aspect of linguistics that investigates how words are formed in a language. Some common concepts in morphology include word formation processes, morphological parsing, root, base, and stem, etc. Syntax. Syntax is the study of sentence formation in language. It is a wider aspect of linguistics that focuses on the rules that guide the combination of words to form meaningful sentences in a language. Some common concepts in syntax include constituent structure, rank shifting, grammatical units, etc. Semantics. Semantics is the study of literal meaning in a language. It evaluates the meaning of words and sentences in a language. Some concepts in semantics include semantics fields, sentence meaning, word meaning, etc. Pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of contextual meaning in a language. It investigates how words and sentences convey meaning beyond their literal sense. Some common concepts in pragmatics include context, deixis, presupposition, speech act theory, reference, implicature, etc. Applied linguistics. Applied linguistics focuses on how the knowledge of language theories and methods can be strategically geared towards real-life problem-solving. It is the practical use of knowledge acquired from the study of language in providing solutions to problems in real life. The groups under this branch include the following: psycholinguistics, computational linguistics, forensic linguistics, and sociolinguistics. Psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is the study of how we acquire, understand, produce, and store language in our brains for future use. It also evaluates the various disorders that can hinder the effective use of language by individuals such as aphasia, dyslexia, etc. Computational linguistics. Computational linguistics combines linguistics and computer science to make computers understand and generate human language. It deals with building programs and models that can process language automatically. Forensic linguistics. Forensic linguistics depicts an interplay between linguistics and legal investigations. It has to do with the application of the knowledge of language in carrying out criminal or legal investigations. Sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society as well as the various social factors that influence the way we use language such as age, religion, ethnicity, gender, etc. Concepts in this area include the following: bilingualism, dialect, code switching, etc. Importance of linguistics. Education. The study of language helps researchers come up with novel ways to teach students language in ways that facilitate better understanding of its systems in general. Technology. The scientific study of language has gone a long way in improving technology. We have been able to develop chatbots, virtual assistants, and speech recognition tools due to breakthroughs in computational linguistics. Sociolinguistics. Studying language gives us a more nuanced idea of how social factors like age, gender, education, occupation, etc., all influence how we use language. Communication. The study of language helps us become more articulate in our use of language, and more perceptive in our understanding of utterances. Career. The study of language provides various career opportunities for graduates of linguistics such as teaching, translation, editing, writing, etc. The concept associated with the application of scientific procedures geared towards the investigation of language is known as linguistics. It has a number of branches through which it evaluates language and apply its theories to real-world problem solving, namely, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, psycholinguistics, computational linguistics, forensic linguistics, sociolinguistics, etc. Understanding this concept will better inform you on the systems of language in general. See you soon.